Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking essentials and then act immediately. Verify tools and the replacement part and back up any settings so you can restore them if needed. Once done, power down the device, unplug it, and discharge capacitors to avoid shocks. Make sure to wear ESD protection and keep screws organized in labeled containers. You're starting the repair now, not prepping indefinitely. Open the panel, inspect the fault visually, and identify the damaged component for removal. Now tackle the core work. Diagnose precisely so you fix the right issue. Use a multimeter to measure continuity and live voltages. Compare readings to expected values and mark deviations. Once identified, desolder or unmount the faulty part, respecting polarity and mechanical fit. Install the new component with correct torque and connectors. Reassemble in stages and test after each major step. This prevents cascading mistakes. Make sure to document what you changed so you can reverse a step if measurements look off. Complete the job by verifying function under normal conditions and watching for subtler symptoms. Power up safely and run full tests. Observe voltages, temperatures, and listen for abnormal sounds. Once done, stress the device briefly, make sure connections remain secure, and confirm performance matches your baseline. If something still fails, return to your backup configuration and isolate the most recent change. This helps pinpoint regressions quickly. Tip: when troubleshooting, swap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.